Hi guys, so today is Friday. You might notice something different about me. I got new glasses and I actually really like them. I feel like they're a little bit big, but I think I kind of like it. That was what I was going for, was bigger, because I like the bigger frames because I can see. What are you doing? I don't know, I can see like more up and more down without seeing the edge of the frame. So anyway, I got them from Zenny. I asked you guys on Instagram. So much going on behind me. I asked you guys on Instagram for some recommendations of where to buy glasses online, like cheap frames and stuff, and so many of you guys recommended them, so that's what I went with, and it was really cool. It was like you can try the glasses online with like a picture of your own face. It's like 3D and everything. So I don't know, I was skeptical. I thought for sure that they both wouldn't fit. I ordered 2 pairs, by the way. I thought they both wouldn't fit and I would just be disappointed and like be sending them back or whatever, but I actually really like this pair, and the other pair that I got is kind of weird. I'm gonna be sending that pair back because it's like, I don't know, I checked to make sure I ordered it right, and I did, but I'm wondering if like they actually messed up with the lens in the right eye, because that one's blurry, and I kept going back and forth like testing the two and, you know, trying to make sure it wasn't just me, and it's definitely like the right lens is kind of blurry. So I don't know, but I'm alright with this pair. Really only need 1 pair of glasses, so yeah, yay for that. I think the 2 together was like 70 something, so this pair was only like 30 something dollars for the frame and the lenses, so yeah, score. I also want to update you guys on like house projects and stuff like that, what we're doing. Hi. Hasn't been a whole lot going on because I've been focusing on like homeschool and trying to do that, and I feel like there's just a million things. I feel like I have too much to do and I can't do everything. So the house projects have kind of been sitting, but Greg and I have decided that we're gonna work on the kitchen next. And this wall, I don't know if I ever told you guys, but we were planning on taking this drywall down and taking this drywall down, just like taking the walls down and putting it back up with like new sheetrock, just because this got so ruined. This wall got so ruined when we tried to take down the painted over wallpaper. This is what we're left with. It was not a good idea to try to do that. We totally should have just left it as painted over wallpaper, but Greg really wanted to try to get the wallpaper down, and then it just really wrecked the wall. So we were planning on trying, like I said, we were planning on taking this down and putting it back up again with like new, but I feel like, or we just think that that's going to be too much work, like more work than it might be to even just try to fix the wall. So I've been looking at paint colors again for the kitchen. You guys know, or you might know, that this was the color that I originally painted the backsplash back here, and I didn't like it. It looked too dark. It didn't go with like the cream cabinets or like the darker countertop. So I changed that to like a white. But then I was still planning on using this for like the other 2 walls in here, or that wall and that little piece of wall and then this wall. But I don't know, I'm having second thoughts on it, so I'm gonna paint a little bit and see what I think. I feel like if there was more white in the kitchen, then this might look better. I'm just not sure how it's gonna look, but I'm gonna test it a little bit. But I've also been looking at some other paint colors. So I have these from Sherwin-Williams. This one is not really, I'm not really considering that for the kitchen. This is gonna be the downstairs bathroom color, sea salt. It looks a lot better with like less natural light, I think, so it doesn't look too good in here. Rain washed, maybe, I don't know, it's like a bluish green color. These colors come out horrible on the camera. Waterscape is like a little bit darker, and I think the one I'm leaning towards most is Meander Blue, because it's kind of almost the same color, it's just a tad bit lighter. I know, that's all I have to work off right now, is that. But yeah, I want to put a swatch of Balmy Seas on the wall and then like hold this up to it and see what I think. Picking paint colors is so hard, and I'm like kind of set on having like a bluish color in the kitchen. I don't know why, I just feel like I want like some color in here, just because you don't really decorate with color in the kitchen. Like it's just like furniture, like your cabinets and your countertop. Like there's nowhere really to add color. I don't know, I just kind of like blue walls in the kitchen. I don't know. But I just feel like the other paint color is going to be like too much, like too strong or something. So try to see what else. So I am downstairs in our awfully messy basement. Like, it is terrible down here. So I'm not going to show it to you. But that's where I am. I'm down here because it's nighttime. Everybody is sleeping. And I have nowhere to talk in this house where I'm not going to wake somebody up. So you can probably still hear me through the floor. But this, alright, so those clips you saw before were from days ago. Like, I honestly could not even remember if I had any vlog footage to put together, or if I did, what I even talked about. So there's those few random clips, but I wanted to just sit here and kind of like wrap up this video. So yeah, I don't even know what this video was. I got new glasses. I actually shipped back the other pair, and they're gonna check out that right lens to see if like it's messed up or something, and if it's not, then they said I could just get like a credit or something to pick a different pair, which is fine. That would be cool. I did like that pair. I think I like that pair a little bit better than this pair, so I'm hoping that they find something wrong with it and they just ship it back to me and it's all good. But we'll see. I'm still waiting to like hear back from them or whatever. And then about the kitchen, I'll insert a clip here of like the wall color. I painted a swatch of Balmy Seas on the wall, and yeah, I really don't think I like it in this kitchen here. Like, I loved it in the old kitchen in a little apartment. It was perfect in there, but I just don't think it works in this kitchen with like the lighting and the colors and everything. So still trying to find a blue color, and I think I'm gonna try to pick up a sample of another color by Sherwin-Williams. It's called Tidewater. I don't know. I cannot pick paint colors. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I want it to be like the perfect color, and I feel like if I don't absolutely love it, like, I'm not gonna like it, you know what I mean? So I don't know. Hopefully I'll like that one, and then we can just go with it. I do have to paint the kitchen ceiling first, so that needs to be painted. We still have to fix the wall. I started working more on like getting more of the wallpaper, painted over wallpaper off, but I like stopped it. Like, instead of like continuing across that wall, I tried to have like a stopping point, and then I'm just gonna like mud over it and smooth it down and try to make it look as best as I can, and hopefully you won't be able to tell like where I stopped. And Greg has like a trick that he's gonna use to fix that hole in the corner. He's gonna like spray something in there. It's like a spray foam type of thing that fills it, and then you like scrape it down and make it flat and stuff. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, hopefully that will be easier than actually taking down the wall and putting up a new wall. But yeah, that is an update on that. So right now for me it is Sunday night, and tomorrow I have to make a costume. Like, I bought Chase a costume the other day, went on Thursday or something. We went out, we bought him a costume, and it was $40, and I was just like, this is so expensive. Like, I don't want to spend this much money. Like, it's too expensive, and I was thinking about it like all day, and then I finally just decided, like, I'm just gonna bring it back and try to make him a costume. And it's a good thing I thought about that then, because that was the last day to return the costume and get a refund. So I drove to the store, like the Halloween store, at like 9:30 at night, returned his costume, got my money back, and I found a tornado costume on Pinterest that I'm gonna try to make. It looks pretty easy to make, so I need to go out maybe tomorrow if it's not raining and go pick up the stuff for that. And then I need to make a costume like this week, because Halloween is on Saturday. So that is what I'm going to be working on this week. So hopefully it comes out cute. He really doesn't care what he is for Halloween, which is awesome. So if it doesn't work out, I'm actually just going to make him a mummy costume. If I can get like white fabric, which I'm sure I'll be able to find some kind of white fabric there. If I can't like get all this stuff to make the tornado costume, then I'm just going to make him a mummy, and it's whatever. By the time you guys are seeing this, it is probably Monday. So I hope you guys are all having a great Monday, or had a great Monday, depending on what time it is for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little whatever this was, and I'll see you guys all for my next video. Bye.